Hello everyone, this video introduces the KML to feature function in the vector conversion tool. This function is used to convert KML or KMZ files into feature classes. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the KML to feature tool. Double-click to open the function window. Input the KML or KMZ file you wish to convert into a feature class. Select the fields you want to include in the export. The Output Feature Class section displays the feature class that will be generated. By default, the generated feature class will be loaded into the GPKG database where the project is located. You can also choose to save the generated feature class to a different path. Here, we choose to save it in the GPKG database where the project is located. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The generated feature class will then be added to the GPKG database where the project is located. That's all for the introduction to the KML to feature function. Thank you for watching.